Good morning, Minnewaska. I hope you're having a great day. Hey, it's time to talk about March 15th and where we're headed. So, March 15th is a PD day that's going to be a flex day. If you're new here, we are taking this day. You can do at your own pace before March 10th, and you submit a paper timesheet in to your principal to share what you did and what this looks like. There are some requirements of the day. So, if you want to do it on 310 by 310 on your own time, out of contract time, you can, and then you take 3:15 off. If you are someone that's going to be around on the 15th and you want to do it on that day, great. The building will be open. You can complete your work just as we have, and do it on the day that it's meant to happen. All right, crew. So here's an overview of what's going to happen through the day. There's lots of different things, but this is kind of the overview of where we're headed. I will put these videos into the link and you will have this paper and so you can see, but I won't give you a super long description because we have so many different things and not everything applies to everyone. So I'll put some YouTube videos in so you can just see what applies to you. All right, just an overview though. We have heard loud and clear from our teachers that we are struggling when our kids are on their Chromebooks and we don't really know what's happening. And so kids might be on various tabs, they might be gaming, they might be doing just a variety of things that you can't see when you're in front of them, and you can't always be behind them watching all their Chromebooks. And so as a management tool, we are adding ClassWise. ClassWise lines up with our filter, which is called LineWise. It's one of their products. We're super excited. This will allow you to see what's on the tabs of every student in your classroom, to close tabs, to pause the internet, to send out direct videos or direct links to them if you need to. And so it's a tool that we're super excited to launch. We are actually going to launch it in fourth quarter. And so you're going to have 2 hours of PD on it. One is just to do the modules and learn about it. And then one is to actually log in and get it set up. We have been waiting for setup timelines, and so that's why this is coming a little later than planned. But we will get we will get the setup plan to you as soon as we can. We anticipate no later than March 1st, maybe as early as late next week. But that will be coming in addition. So 1 hour of ClassWise training and reviewing today, and 1 hour of setup that will happen when we get those directions. The next piece, Magic School AI, is an artificial intelligence website or app that is just phenomenal for educators. It has lots of preloaded cards, and I'll give some directions to that, but we really want you to spend some time in there. AI is here and it's not going to go away. It's pretty exciting stuff, but there are some tools that are directly ready for you and that will be really easy for you to use and implement. And so more to come on that link. K through 6, you're going to spend some time reviewing some standards. There's some new standards work that's out. Celebrate Social Studies standards actually went through a judge, but is out and exciting. And so we're going to spend some time on that. Science test specs are out as well, not text, test. I will fix that error. And so people will spend some time in that. PE, you've got some curriculum work that you would need to finalize and finish and make sure it's complete. And then there is just a check off list. These all have to be updated in the curriculum file, and so I'll give some directions to that. All right, crew, Study Sync Win Academy. If you're 7 through 12, you have some Study Sync work to do to get that going. All right, guys, I will do some short directions in all of these, but I hope you have a great day on 3:15 or before, and have a great trip if you're headed out of town. Take care.